Hi, beautiful. Hi, birdies. Hi, pretty birds. Are you guys a loving pair? Hey, beautiful. Hey, sweet pea. Oh, you guys are so cute together. Hello, you're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Such a pretty bird. Hi, beautiful birds. Hello. Hello, pretty bird. All right, guys, we have to head back to Hilton Head, okay? Say goodbye to Freedom. Okay, you gotta tell Freedom goodbye. Bye, Freedom. Bye, pretty bird. All right, tell your friends goodbye. I'm so glad you got to come here. It's June 9th. We had the open house today, and Freedom was inside greeting people. We had a great time, and it's 2018 summer open house at Feathered Friends Forever. All right, we're signing off live, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.